Joel, here's your 347 small block Ford. Give you description and combination. It's got a set of RHAS cast heads, custom grind hydraulic roller. We got your oil pan, got a manifold on here just to Dyno it. Go in there, make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 421 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 435, peak horsepower 427, rate of 425, so everything's good. Hold the knob, pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things. You see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have engine numbers, some other specs. If you need something from us, that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That'll take you some more tech stuff, so have a great day.